This is continuation from patient page, part 4. Let's see the history/examination. In this section, chronic conditions and common history are recorded. These information will be available in all future visits. This unlabeled tab is to record chronic conditions and will be the default tab shown. In this example, the unlabeled tab is selected by default. These tabs are to record past medical history, PMH, family history, FH, drugs history, DEH, and social history, SH. Click the tab to show the respective records. The tabs with dark fonts indicate that data is available under those tabs. The tabs with lighter fonts indicate that no data is available under those tabs. Clicking Risk Factors will show the risk factors list. To add a risk factor, double-click the risk factor. Risk factors added to this patient will be listed like this. If the risk factor to be added is not in this list, it can be added manually by entering the risk factor at the bottom and clicking Add. The risk factors for the patient can be removed by double-clicking on them. The risk factors box can be closed by clicking Risk Factors. For female patients, obstetrics calculator and data recording are available. Click this icon to open it. The LMP is specified here, and the POA as of the visit date will be calculated, not as of current date. The parity is specified here. To recalculate the POA based on different cycle, specify the cycle and days here and click Calculate. Click this icon to save the obstetrics data. When obstetrics data is saved or available, these will be displayed. The parity and gestation will be shown here. Further antenatal details can be saved in the antenatal box by clicking this box. This is the antenatal details box. To change any of the value in the gray tabs, click repetitively till the required value. Enter the other details as necessary. And click Save to save these details. In the subsequent visits, these details will be shown until this pregnancy is marked as delivered or miscarriage. If this obstetrics details were saved in one of the previous visits, the date and the VA and this obstetrics details were saved will be shown here. The pregnancy can be marked as delivered or miscarriage here. To undo marking as delivered or miscarriage, you have to go to the visit this obstetrics data was first saved. In this example, the visit in which the obstetrics data was first saved is 103. When VN 103 is opened for editing, in the history/examination, it will show delivered, or miscarriage if marked as miscarriage. Click this icon to show the obstetrics data. And click Undo Delivered to undo, or undo miscarriage. Remember to finalize this visit that was open for editing. Now back to the current visit. To record read, specify the read date here. And click this icon to save the read date. When read is saved, the POA and gestation are calculated based on read and not LMP. Read can be deleted by clicking Clear Read. And click this icon to save the obstetrics data with the read removed. Private and confidential data box is accessed via this icon. Enter the private and confidential data here. If this is ticked, only this doctor will be able to see this information, otherwise all doctors will be able to see this information. Users that are no doctors cannot see this information at all. Click Add/Edit to save this private and confidential information. The red icon indicates that private and confidential information has been saved or is available. This icon will list the auto-suggest settings for the user. By default the keyword expanded is turned on. To turn off, Untick Keyword Expander enabled. With Keyword Expander, expandable keywords will be contained in square brackets. In this example, fever is an expandable keyword, and when clicked, the frequently used terms are listed for the expandable keyword. Tick the terms to select them. The selected keywords are inserted by clicking by lines to enter line by line or sentence to enter as a sentence. Any keywords in bracket squares will list the possible alternatives when clicked. In this example, if we click since 2 days ago, the selected text will get replaced with the text we have just clicked. The square brackets and dash will be automatically removed upon finalizing this visit. The brackets can also be removed by clicking this tab with F. This section lists the common words or phrases that will be displayed as auto-suggest list. This list can be customized for every user. To add on a word, add the word as new line and click Save at the top right of this box. The words in the auto-suggest list without the square brackets are the common words/phrases and not expandable keywords. The checklist button will show the checklist box. Available checklists will be listed here. Refer checklists for more information. To start a checklist, select the checklist required from this list. The content of the selected checklist will be shown in this preview section. Click Add to start this checklist for this patient. Checklists will be continuously shown in subsequent visits until it is discontinued. This checklist has been started from this visit state. Information entered in these fields will be automatically saved. Vital signs and investigations results are automatically inserted into this checklist. Refer checklists for more information. Checklist can only be deleted in the visit it was created by clicking this icon. In subsequent visits, the checklist cannot be deleted but can only be discontinued. This red button indicates that active checklist is present. Data for subsequent visits will be shown in separate column. This text field is to record the current history. Add is audit trail. Any visit open for editing will have the existing data saved before any editing. This is for medical legal purposes. The previous data can be viewed by clicking at. The datasets before editing will be shown here. Click to show the details. The data before editing was done will be recorded along with the date and time edited. T will list the clerking templates saved. These are the clerking templates. To save the current clerking as template, click S. Specify the name for this template. If public is ticked, this template will be available to all doctors. Click Save to save this template. This text field is to record the examination details. Clicking this icon will show the ophthalmology details box. Enter the ophthalmology details and click Add/Edit to save. This text field is to record the plans for this patient. This will be shown in subsequent visits. Do not enter investigations, procedures, injections or medicines here as these will be entered under investigations and treatment later. All images for this patient will be listed as thumbnails here. Drawings, uploaded images and images sent from Intel SysAssist app will be listed here. To show the full image, click on the thumbnail. Selected images can be displayed side by side. This can be helpful in showing the before/after changes. Click the number to select the image. Select at least 2 images. And click View side by side. The selected images will be combined and displayed side by side in a new tab/window. The Images tab will open the Drawing section. The number in brackets indicate the number of images saved in this visit. These are the images saved in this visit. Images can only be deleted in the visit they were saved in, by clicking this icon. Images from other visits can only be deleted in those visits by opening those visits for editing and deleting the images from the drawing section. Commonly used diagrams are available under Templates. Clicking on the image under Templates or Saved Images will load the image. This loaded image can now be annotated or marked. For example, select pencil here and draw something on the loaded image. The annotated image can be saved here. Save will overwrite the existing image while Save as New will save as a separate file. To be continued in Patient Page, Part 6.